In this video, I'm going to teach you how to hold chopsticks correctly in Japan. Hi everyone, this is Yoshimi. When I teach my guests in my cooking class in Asakusa, I notice a lot of people want to hold chopsticks like this. Right in the middle, and using middle finger to push down the bottom one, and using only thumb and the index finger to hold the top one like this. Like this. But in Japan, we use 3 fingers to hold the top chopsticks. So let's start from the beginning. At first, make V like this. Using your thumb and the index finger, make V. And take one chopstick and place it at the valley here, about 1/3 from the top. Not in the middle, it's 1/3 from the top. 1, 2, 2. Pinch it with your thumb straight up, and then let your ring finger really well, like this. And place this chopstick on the nail of your ring finger, and you push it outwards. It's not upwards, outwards. As you push thumb in. So you're jamming the bottom one here. This bottom one wants to slide up like this, keep sliding up like this. So you need to lock the bottom one here really tight by jamming it there really strong. So it's not moving. And when you have the bottom chopstick like this, you have thumb, index finger, and middle finger free. And you use those 3 fingers to hold the top one just like a pencil. So pretend this lower one doesn't exist, it's not there. Pretend this is a pencil and you try to write using the pencil. You pinch the top one using 3 fingers, just like you hold your pencil, and you try to write. So when you get lost, remember pencil, pencil, pencil. This top one is a pencil, and you only move the top one. The lower one is still because you're locking it there. Pencil, pencil. So this is how you hold the chopsticks in Japan. Okay, this is everything for today. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in this kind of tips around Japanese food or Japanese food culture, sometimes Japan in general, consider subscribing. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!